Hey everyone, my name's Tenebris and welcome back to Road to Vostok. It's been a short bit since we've had a chance to talk about this game, but the developer's been steadily working away on improving the core systems and moving on towards planning the next maps, alongside a really slick live stream from just a short week ago and a new build for Patreons. RTV has been making great progress in the meantime. Today, with the new work in progress video, we got to see a bunch of things, from environmental improvements to ambience and even a new gun, so let's get into it here. First up is the new gun, the VSS Vintorez, one of my favorite Soviet sniper rifles. It's going to be really cool seeing how the 9x39 works in the game, as it has a pretty distinct bullet drop to it. But the gun model looks great, so it's gonna be fun to get into when it comes around to the demo or a Patreon build in the future. But as a small aside, it's really awesome seeing RTV expanding with its weapons as steadily as it is. This is going to pay off in a huge way, one gun at a time here. Then we have ambient zones. These little immersive touches will be huge as they all add up along the way to create a believable and immersive world for us to explore and survive in Road to Vostok. I'm a really big fan of this stuff when it's done well, so I'm excited to see ambient zones progress through bunkers and industrial zones in the future. One of the first things shown off in the work in progress are the new puddle shaders, and they look kinda resource intensive, but will add a very nice environmental touch during rainy weather. Now for something I really didn't expect to see so early on, bandits! It's really good to see the necessary scavenger that makes these dystopian worlds really feel like it's all gone to hell. So I'm really stoked to see how these guys will behave in the future, if they'll be a hostile faction, or if they maybe will be a group we can interact with. Either way, as a first hint of factions in the game, it's very hyped to see. Then we have the lore elements, and this is rather ambiguous at this point, but I'm excited to see how it'll pan out still. This could be Morse code of some sort, but either way, if I'm remembering correctly, Auntie worked in communications as his militaristic background, so whatever we see will possibly be a really technical puzzle to solve. Then the final two things are things that we've already covered here on my channel, but the inventory improvements and the new maps. The maps will be great to see become a bigger thing to use in the game, but the inventory improvements are the real highlight. It's something that I think you all will be very happy with when it comes to the demo at some point in the future. And that leaves us off with what's next for Road to Vostok. And right now, it's kinda hard to say. We'll likely be looking at more live streams, which I hope to see some of you folks in. But something I'm hoping for is maybe some word on the current demo hitting maybe a small update here, so that everyone that got hit by the unable to equip bug can get to enjoy the demo. Plus, it'd be cool to get our hands on that Vintorez. So either way, stay tuned because I've got all my eyes and ears out for anything regarding that. But for now, I'd like to know, what was your favorite part of the work in progress video? I'm personally really stoked to get my hands on that Vintorez. But we've got a ton more to look forward to from Road to Vostok here, so maybe consider subscribing to stick around for more RTV news and info here on my channel. But for now, thank you all for watching, and I will catch you all in the next one. Until then, peace.